Hey guys, today we're going to look at the Rock Island Armory AL9.0 9mm revolver. This revolver is in great condition, very smooth action. It also has a custom trigger job on it. Very smooth. Rubber grips, textured grips. High visibility orange front sight with an adjustable rear sight. Good old Pahrump, Nevada. In addition to the original case, this guy also comes with a set of moon clips for your 9mm rounds, made by TK Custom. Cable lock. The original inspection certificate from the factory, and also the original manual. Check it out on Gun Broker this week.